We can use a lot of different tools, such as pre and post blast cross sections to help identify the extent of backbreak. And this is just an example from a Straos project. And you can see here, we can look at where the holes are. We can line up the cross sections of the actual original bench and then the post blast profile. And we can see then by lining up where our last set of holes was with the cross section, the potential extent of the backbreak from each shot. And that should be something we're measuring. We can directly pull those numbers and figure out what our total backbreak is. That should go on every single blast report. Back in the day, we used to use large boulders. We'd put them 2 burdens behind. We'd spray paint them red. We'd have to measure it out, and then we'd try to figure out exactly where to measure from. This makes it much simpler when we have some of these different tools to use, but those old techniques can still be used if we don't have, let's say, a drone available or something.